Art has always been a way for humans to express creativity, emotions, and stories. But something amazing is happening now. Have you ever wondered how AI, artificial intelligence, can create art? Imagine typing something simple like, "Draw me a picture of a girl," and in just a few moments, the AI delivers a stunning image. You can even ask it for something like, "Make a picture of Cristiano Ronaldo," and while it might not be a perfect match, it'll create something that looks surprisingly close to the famous footballer. But how does AI do this? How can a computer, which doesn't have emotions or creativity like humans, produce such incredible art? That's exactly what we're going to talk about today. We'll break it down step by step, explain how AI learns, and even reveal where these AI systems get millions of images to create their art. And at the end, I'll share some great tools you can use to make your own AI art and some tips to make it truly amazing. So stick with me until the end, you'll learn a lot. How does AI create art? Let's start with the basics. AI art generators are powered by something called deep learning algorithms. These are advanced computer programs designed to work similarly to how our brains process information. They can recognize patterns, learn from examples, and then create something new based on what they've learned. Now, here's where it gets interesting. For AI to learn how to make art, it first needs to study a huge amount of existing artwork. Think of it like a student learning how to paint. The AI looks at thousands or even millions of images, paintings, sketches, photos, and starts to understand how shapes, colors, and styles work together. For example, let's say you want the AI to create a picture of Cristiano Ronaldo. The AI studies thousands of images of Ronaldo, his facial features, hairstyle, expressions, and even the way he poses. Then, when you ask it to make a picture of Cristiano Ronaldo, it uses everything it learned to create a brand new image that looks like him. It's not an exact copy of any single photo, but a unique picture based on all the information it has about him. Now, you might be wondering, where do these AI art generators get access to millions of images to learn from? Great question. Let me break it down for you. First, a lot of the images come from the internet. AI systems basically collect publicly available pictures, things like photos, paintings, and illustrations that anyone can access. This includes images from websites, online art galleries, and even platforms where people share their work. Then, there are licensed collections. Some AI companies actually buy or license huge libraries of images. These collections often include high-quality art, stock photos, and even archives filled with art history pieces. And lastly, there are open datasets. These are like massive image collections shared by universities, organizations, or researchers to help develop AI. Some popular ones you might have heard of include ImageNet and LAION, which are packed with millions of images. So, by pulling images from all these sources, AI learns to recognize patterns and create art. But here's the tricky part, not everyone agrees on whether this is fair. For example, what if some of the images are from artists who didn't get permission? This is something people are still debating. So, why is data so important when it comes to AI art? Well, here's the thing, AI is only as good as the data it learns from. Think about it, if the AI gets access to a wide variety of high-quality images, it can create art in all kinds of styles. For example, let's say the AI studies Picasso's Cubist paintings. It can learn how to make abstract, geometric art. Or, if it dives into Renaissance masterpieces, it'll know how to create super-realistic portraits. And if it's trained in modern photography? You get these crazy hyper-realistic images that look like they were snapped with a camera. But here's the flip side, if the AI only learns from a small set of images, like just black and white sketches, it's going to be limited. It won't know how to add color or detail, because it's never seen it before. That's why the size and variety of the dataset matter so much. The more diverse the data, the better the AI can get at creating incredible art. Why is AI art so popular? AI art tools are getting super popular, and it's easy to see why, they're for everyone. You don't need to be a professional artist or spend years mastering techniques. With just a few clicks or typing a simple idea, you can create art that looks like it took hours to make. For example, imagine you're a graphic designer. You could use AI to quickly brainstorm ideas for a logo or an illustration. Or, if you're a filmmaker, you could generate unique backgrounds or add stunning visual effects to your project. And even if you're not in a creative field, you could use AI for fun, like making a personalized avatar or designing a cool picture to share online. It's this mix of creativity and accessibility that makes AI art so exciting. So, that's basically how AI art works. It starts with deep learning, studies millions of images, and uses all that knowledge to create something new. The result? Art that's not just beautiful, but also incredibly innovative. And here's the best part, you don't need any special skills to give it a try yourself. In the next part, I'll show you some of the best AI art tools out there and share a few tips to help you take your creations to the next level. So, stick around, and let's keep exploring this amazing world of AI art together. Alright, now that we've cracked the code on how AI creates art, let's move on to something even more exciting, exploring the best tools you can use to create your own AI masterpieces. Whether you're a total newbie just looking to have some fun or a pro who wants to take things to the next level, there's something here for everyone. First up, we've got DALL-E. This one's from OpenAI, and it's like having your own creative sidekick. All you have to do is describe what you're imagining, and boom, it turns your words into art. For example, let's say you type something like a futuristic cityscape glowing under a vibrant sunset. In just seconds, DALL-E brings that to life with stunning, customized images. It's awesome for coming up with unique concepts, think sci-fi landscapes, whimsical characters, or even surreal designs. Whether you're an artist, a marketer, or just curious, this tool's got your back. Next, we have Midjourney. If you're all about those dreamy, artsy vibes, this one's for you. It creates visuals that feel emotional, like they're straight out of a fantasy world or a sci-fi epic. Midjourney is perfect for mood boards, concept art, or anything where you want the image to feel rich and unique. Honestly, the results look like they could hang in an art gallery, so if you want your AI art to have that handcrafted, painterly look, give this one a shot. 3. Deepart.io. Now, if you've ever wanted to see your photo look like it was painted by Van Gogh or Monet, check out Deepart.io. Here's how it works. You upload a photo, it could be a selfie, a landscape, whatever. Then you pick an art style, like Cubism or Impressionism, and voila! Your photo transforms into a masterpiece. It's such a fun way to mix photography with classic art. 4. Runway ML. Alright, let's talk about Runway ML. This one takes AI art to a whole new level by going beyond static images. It's a powerhouse for creating animations, editing videos, and even working on interactive art projects. Think about it, you could create an animated short film or add mind-blowing effects to your videos, all without needing a ton of experience. It's a bit more advanced, but if you're into filmmaking or digital design, this is a game changer. Last, but definitely not least, Canva AI. Canva's already known for being super easy to use, and now they've added AI features to make it even better. You can whip up graphics, presentations, or art in no time, no design skills needed. It's great for beginners, and it's perfect for quick projects like social media posts or marketing materials. Simple, fast, and effective. Alright, so now you know the tools, but how do you make your AI art truly amazing? Let me give you some tips. 1. Experiment with prompts. AI loves creativity. The more specific and imaginative you get, the cooler your results. For example, instead of saying, a beach, try something like, a magical beach with glowing sand under a starry sky. See the difference? Play around with your descriptions and watch the magic happen. 2. Add your personal touch. AI gives you a great starting point, but your own flair can make it extraordinary. You can use tools like Photoshop to tweak the images, maybe add text, adjust colors, or layer in extra details. This is where you can really make the art your own. 3. Be detailed. Details matter. Instead of saying, a house, go for something like, a cozy wooden cabin surrounded by snow-covered pine trees, with smoke rising from the chimney. The more vivid your description, the better the AI understands what you want. 4. Practice makes perfect. Like anything else, the more you practice, the better you'll get. Spend time playing around with different tools, testing out features, and refining your skills. You'll learn what works best for you. 5. Join the community. And finally, don't forget to connect with others. There are tons of AI art communities on Reddit, Discord, and even Facebook. These are great spaces to share your work, get inspired, and pick up tips from other creators. And that's it. With the right tools and a little creativity, you can unlock the full potential of AI art. So go ahead, start experimenting, have fun, and create something amazing. And that's a wrap. I hope now you have a better understanding of how AI art works and how you can create your own stunning pieces. With tools like DALL-E, Midjourney, and Canva AI, the possibilities are endless. Remember, it's all about experimenting with prompts, adding your personal touch, and practicing to get better. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And feel free to leave a comment with any questions or share your favorite AI art tool. I'd love to hear about your creations. Thanks for watching.